Hello everyone. Let's see what happened with the markets today. We'll see what happened to the levels which we marked, and also we'll see what will be the trading plan for tomorrow. Right now you are seeing Nifty daily chart on my screen. Here it was indecisive candle. This was from yesterday. Even today also it was like inside candle, again indecisive candle. Basically, after a rise in price, the price is consolidating. Because of my chart issue, you are unable to see today's daily chart, but basically today also it was just indecisive candle. So after a rise in price, now the price is consolidating. We need to see if it make break this level and make new highs, or will it consolidate and then go little down to cover all these gap areas. We'll see how to do that, but for now let's see what happened today, and we'll also see if there is any trading opportunity for tomorrow. What was our plan? What we planned in Nifty yesterday? Nothing much but to go long if it go above this level, and to go short if it go below this level. But what happened in Nifty today? It just opened inside previous high, previous low, and throughout the day it was just hovering inside this range. Basically, it didn't give us any opportunity in Nifty today. And for tomorrow, if you see a solid breakout of this area, that is where we can go long. If you see any gap up, wait for the price to come to this level, and from here we can look to go long. And to go short, I'll wait for this level. I want the price to go below this area. There is some problem while going down, because there are so many hurdles in Nifty while coming down, which means there are like a lot of supports. So let me show you a couple of them. So this could be one. Okay, just give me a second. See, if the price go below this low, just after 30-40 points, what happens here? See, below 340, it is a short, but where it can go just like 40 points, around 19,300, we have another strong support here. And if that breaks, again in just like 28 points, we have this drop based rally pattern here. Even this can hold. Basically, to enter puts, that is little uncomfortable, because below this just 40 points away, we have one hurdle, again 30 points away, another hurdle. Only below this 253, we have some clear room like for 50 points. Otherwise, for every 40-50 points, there are like so many hurdles in Bank Nifty, in Nifty while coming down. But while going up, if it sustains above 19,433, that is where we can go long. It is so simple in Nifty. Now let us go back and see about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, we planned some trades on 3-minute chart. So let me quickly go back to the 3 minutes. Basically the 3 minutes, it gave like, nice opportunity today. So here, this was the plan, like, if the first candle itself, it will go on close below this, we don't want to enter any trade. But if you see, the first candle closed above this one, and this is where we can enter long. I even asked you to enter long here, and I asked to exit around this area, because I have seen one more supply area. Though this is tested, we don't want to take any risk. So before reaching our final target, I asked you to exit. That was a good decision. From there, market started falling down. Basically, if you have entered like 43, 45, 200 call here, that call would have given you almost 100 rupees profit just after the close of this first 5 minutes. If you entered and if you closed around this area, it would have given you almost 100 points profit. See, remember, many people who are trading in Bank Nifty, they'll be talking about they made 50,000, 1 lakh and all. Never fall for those numbers. Just see like how many points they're able to capture. See here, if you trade with one lot and if you capture like 100 points, your profit is only 2,500. Somebody who is trading with 1,000 quantity, if they capture even like 20 points here, their profit will be 20,000. But how many points they capture? Just 20. Here with one lot, you are able to capture 100 points. So don't fall for all those numbers. It is matter of how much you invest and how many points you capture. If you're able to capture 100 points with 1000 quantity, your profit will be like 1 lakh. So don't fall for all those numbers you will be seeing on Twitter here and there, like people posting 10 lakhs profit, 20 lakhs profit and all. Those are because they enter with very huge quantity. Just see how many points they are able to capture. And accordingly, you can make decision like to see if you really want to follow them or not. The way I see, I'll see like how many points we are able to capture. With 100 points today, you are able to make 2,500 with one lot. Tomorrow with 10 lots, you will be able to, with the same 100 points move, you will be able to make 25,000. So don't fall for all those numbers. Just see like how many points you're able to make in each trade. So that is it in Bank Nifty. And from there, we have seen Bank Nifty coming down, and throughout the day, it was like sideways only. During the day also, we thought like once if it go above this level, we can aim for small 100, 150 points target. It didn't give any opportunity. It was complete sideways. Even at, okay, now let me take you back to the 15 minutes and let me show you. Okay, let me remove this level. Yeah. So on 15 minutes, what we thought, we even thought like once if this level has been broken, maybe price can come down, but no, it just went back and it is testing that area. So for tomorrow, what should be the plan? Just mark this supply area around 45,500. If you see Bank Nifty going to 45,500, and if you see an indice candle, this is where we can go short. And the stop loss actually should be above 45,650. That will be big stop loss. So we'll see if the price close above this supply area, that is where we exit. So this is one nice supply area. This is where we can look to go short. Again, if Bank Nifty managed to go above this all-time high, 45,650, definitely we can look to go long above that level. And to go short, we need to wait for the market to go below 45,000. You see this 45,000 round figure, this could be, this can hold market. I have also shown you today, there is huge put writing on at 45,000, because when there is huge put writing, which means people are not anticipating the market to go below 45,000. So all those writers, they may hold the market. But listen, when all the institutions, buyers, everybody writing all their puts at this point with very huge quantity, by any chance, because of any news or because of any huge profit booking for whatever reason, if the price go below 45,000, what happens? Everyone will get into trouble. All those writers will get in trouble. What they do, immediately they will start squaring off their positions, and we can see like very quick move if the price go below 45,000. So you can buy puts only if you see price going below 45,000, and your first target will be 44,700, 750 area, and below that we can see much lower levels. So even below that, even it can go till this area. If you see, it was taking resistance and later it was converted into support. Around 44,520 area will be the next target. That is it about Bank Nifty. I'll try to update you during the market. Now let us see what happened to the intraday levels which we marked. That is one successful trade which we were able to make in Bank Nifty. And let us quickly see what happened to all our levels. First, let me go to the Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma was the HIT trade. Let me clear all these lines. Let me go back to the 5 minutes of Sun Pharma. Let's see what happened to the Sun Pharma. See, in the morning itself, we missed the entry by few points. We missed the trade here in Sun Pharma, and then it started, it went to the target, whatever we marked. And at the end, after 315, 320, again, it came back to this demand area. Normally, we don't want to trade anything after 3 o'clock. This is like no entry trade. And now let's go back to the NTPC. NTPC is the 15 minutes trade. I'm talking about the stocks which you might have taken screenshot yesterday. So let me go back to the 15 minutes. We didn't get any entry in NTPC. I set some alert here. Tomorrow, maybe we can try one more time. I like this structure very much. So tomorrow, if you get entry here, definitely we can try. See, you might be thinking this is just like half rupee SL and just like 1 rupee 90 paisa, 2 rupees target. If your SL, like let's say per trade, if your risk is 1000 rupees and look at the target, you are getting 2000. And even if you enter in future, the lot size in future is 3000. If you are risking 3000, you are aiming for how much? 6000. So it's first we need to focus on the levels. We need to be able to find the levels, and then we need to trust the strategy what we are following. After trying with a small quantity, once you get confidence, that is where you can enter with multiple lots in future. So now the next one is Dr. Reddy. I believe we also missed entry in Dr. Reddy. So morning it came like very close. If you see the low of this one, this is 5,137. And here if you see 29. How many points? Not even 10 points. Less than 8-9 points. We by 8-9 rupees difference we missed the entry, and see like how much target it has given. We actually planned 1 is to 2.5. If we have trail, if you see, it is almost like 1 is to 4 trade, but we missed the entry. That's fine, we leave it. We don't know where the market is going to open. All we do is just plan some trades before the market, and whatever gives us entry, we'll enter. We'll just ignore the trades whatever we miss. Now let's see Power Grid. Even Power Grid, the lot size in Power Grid is 2700. In the first candle itself, it has given entry, and even it has touched the target whatever we marked. So I said even we can try to take one more shot here with this stop loss, and this also gave almost 1 is to 1 target. And later, if you have moved your SL to buy cost, it would have gone at the buy cost, or even otherwise it would. This is like a SL trade on the second trade, but the first trade it already gave the target. The reason I wanted to show you more on this, once the supply has been broken, the same supply will turn into support or demand. See, this without breaking SL, it came down, and later we have seen price sustaining or basing completely here. We know what to do when it is basing for too much time. We have to simply come out of it at buy cost or with small loss or profit. We know the logic why we have to do that. Once the price went much high from that area, see the fall. It came exactly to the level which it has broken before, and from there it started bouncing again. This is what I wanted to show you. This is nice retracement, and from retracement we have seen nice pullback. That is about Power Grid. I also wanted to show you few weekly trades which we planned and how they performed. If you remember DLF trade, DLF is a positional trade. See, the size of DLF in future is almost 1650. Look here, it gave entry, and once it reached the target, either you can book the profit or you can keep on trailing the stop loss. If you are trailing the stop loss, see the height it has made. It is giving almost 1 is to 5 or 5.5 trade. And if you see from 471, it reached more than 500 rupees, 30 rupees profit. And the lot size is how much? The lot size of DLF is, okay, 1650 into 30, probably will be making around 50,000 here. This is a positional trade where you enter the trade and you keep trailing the SL, and you'll keep aiming for a bigger target. So the similar case with Colpol as well. 1-2 successful trades, you will make huge money, but first we need to believe in the system. This was our entry couple of days back. See, it has given entry, and this was our first target. And see, if you are trailing your SLC, what happened? 1 is to 13 from 1664 till if you look at this, I believe it went to 1800, almost 134, 140 points. The lot size of this is how much? 350. This is also more than 50,000 profit. First, you don't have to go for trailing SL to get confidence on the demand and supply. You enter, try to book 1:2, 1:3 targets, and slowly once you get confidence, then you can increase your per lot risk and even you can enter in future. So that is it about some of the stocks. And let me show you the stocks which we plan for tomorrow. Take a screenshot of this and we'll be discussing this tomorrow. So these are all the trades which I'm planning for tomorrow. HIT trade, hourly income, DIT daily income, and weekly income. So this is Bajaj Auto. When I say this one, this is type 3 entry, confirmation entry. We'll wait for it to give some pullback from the zone and then we'll enter that. These are all the trades. You can take a screenshot, mark the levels on your screen. I'll try to alert you when they're giving any entry or when to exit. Thank you so much for watching.